I'm here in sunny Sardinia on behalf of italsardo.com to look at a Vermentino wine called Brino. It's a DOCG Vermentino, one of the designated areas for Vermentino grape, white wine obviously. The wine is straw coloured, as you can see, typical Vermentino colour. On the nose, very floral, green apple, grapefruit, lime. Taste, those fruits are coming through again. Vanilla, almondy. Very delicate wine as well, very pleasant. This wine is served at 8 to 10 degrees. Again, the sort of optimum temperature to get those aromas out of the wine. It's available from italsardo.com at only £15.50 a bottle. Give it a try. Salute.